तो इंडियन हाउस होल्ड जो दिखाए हैं आपने फिल्म में, वो भी आपने बोला कि बाहर
नहीं, ये
शूट
कहना
किया
नहीं चाहिए, फ़िल्म में बहुत चीटिंग चलती है और लोकेशंस का कभी पता नहीं चलता कहाँ क्या शूट किया है। इस फ़िल्म में मैंने बहुत सारी लोकेशंस जो फ़िल्म में दिखाई हैं वो है नहीं और ऐसे ध्यान नहीं जाता उधर। इससे एक शेड्यूल में फ़िल्म को बनाया जो पहली बार मैंने किया लाइफ में, स्टार्ट टू फिनिश। इट वाज़ वेरी सक्सेसफुल, वी वर ऑन टारगेट और जिस दिन हमने सोचा था हम काम ख़त्म करेंगे उसी दिन हमने काम ख़त्म किया। इट वाज़ अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग प्रोजेक्ट बिकॉज वी शॉट इन स्विट्ज़रलैंड एंड वी शॉट इन स्कॉटलैंड और हमने ऐसी लोकेशंस चुनी जहाँ पहले कभी फ़िल्म की शूटिंग ना हुई हो। स्विट्ज़रलैंड में भी नई लोकेशन चुनी और स्कॉटलैंड में भी। सिर्फ 2 दिन हमको बीच में गैप आया जहाँ हम ट्रैवल किए एक कंट्री से दूसरी कंट्री। सो इट वाज़ अ वेरी प्लान्ड फिल्म एंड इट वाज़ डन ऑन टाइम।
तो टाइटल सॉन्ग के बारे में बताइए, जहाँ कीर्ति को साड़ी पहनना था और इट वाज वेरी कोल्ड
हाँ, एक्चुअली क्या
एंड
था, वी वर शूटिंग इन जून एंड हम लोग ज़र्माट में थे और वी हैड गॉन अप टू द मैटरहॉर्न, पीक ऑफ मैटरहॉर्न. It was summer and it started snowing. So the temperatures went down to -5. It was very unexpected, and I think by the end of the song she collapsed or fainted. But she was very brave. वो गाना ऐसे देखें तो पता नहीं चलता कि ठंड है क्योंकि वो साड़ी में, और ऐसे भी समर टाइम था लेकिन कई बार स्विट्ज़रलैंड में बहुत वेदर फ्लक्चुएट हो जाता है.
तो सोनम जी के बारे में बताएं, उन्होंने भी फिल्म में एज प्रोडक्शन
Yeah, she helps me with the production
काम किया
as
था.
a production, yeah, designer or production associate producer.
So this is a project she was involved with, or she had
No,
worked
she was involved in.
in
She was
other,
involved, yeah.
other projects also?
नहीं, इसमें है, अभी असंभव में है और वैसे most wives get involved with the husband's work.
शबीर बॉक्स वाला के बारे में कुछ बताइए. वो उन्होंने आपके साथ स्क्रीन प्ले में शायद काम किया है. तो बेसिकली ही वाज इनटू प्रोडक्शन. सो
Yeah, Shabir was with me for many years and he worked with me on many areas of production. Script writing में भी वो थे साथ में और he used to handle the production side also, somewhat technical side also. He was an all-rounder.
और कोरियोग्राफी के बारे में कुछ बताइए. जैसे टू चीज़ बड़ी है मस्त मस्त was done by चिनी जी, and then again in Gop he did I guess a couple of songs.
Yeah,
And then
actually,
now Rekha Chini Prakash की. So,
I worked with Rekha in Pyar Ishq Aur Mohabbat and with both the wife and husband Chinni and Rekha in Mohra and in Gupt also. और मुझे याद नहीं कौन सा गाना कब किसने किया है, पर I used to work with them and one of them used to do the song.
तो फिल्म में संगीत एक खास बात थी. इस फिल्म में रोमांटिक फिल्म थी इसलिए. तो इसके बारे में कुछ संगीत के बारे में कुछ,
क्या संगीत?
मतलब म्यूजिक.
Music was very different in Pyar Ishq Aur Mohabbat. I have been giving a different kind of music. So we tried a romantic style of music in Pyar Ishq Aur Mohabbat and the music was very nice. It turned out very good in the end. Very different from my past recordings and my sort of past kind of songs which Viju and me used to do together. And we tried our hand at a different style of music. हमारे सारे गाने आनंद बख्शी उन दिनों में, he was there, he wrote most of my films and Viju and me were very well tuned with him. Now he's not there anymore and I think Pyar Ishq Aur Mohabbat must be one of his few last films where he wrote the lyrics and did a fantastic job. He's always written very well with me. Asambhav has been done with Sameer, who's also done a fabulous job. And lyrics writing is a very creative work and requires a lot of talent.
Any incident that you remember during the making of the film, shooting के दौरान ऐसा कुछ हुआ होगा?
क्या था कि we were shooting 15-16 hours a day and there weren't many incidents except one incident जो मुझे याद आता है कि we were doing, there was no action. तो एक दिन एक sequence था जहाँ पर Arjun crashes his scooter into a car, and we had hired two stunt men from Scotland from the film industry वहीं से. And जब वो आए काम करने तो they were not very experienced. I was very uncomfortable. So I decided to do it myself, more or less, because two of them were there, but they were both driving the two cars. And it was a confusion accident on a countryside road, which Arjun is faking it in the film. When you see the film, and I don't know if you know this, it's an actual accident. He actually, we were always, you try to cheat the accident, you cinematically, कोशिश ये रहती है कि उसको एक्सीडेंट दिखाए पर हम एक्सीडेंट करते नहीं, लेकिन दैट शॉट जो फिल्म में है इट्स अ रियल एक्सीडेंट ऑफ द स्कूटर विद द कार. ही वेंट स्ट्रेट इनटू द कार एंड बैंग्ड, एंड लकीली उसको कुछ हुआ नहीं. वी टुक हिम टू द हॉस्पिटल, बट अर्जुन इज़ अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग मैन, ही डिडंट इवन गेट स्क्रैच्ड एंड ही लाफ्ड हिज वे. बट इट वाज I think a mistiming of the car person, and we went into many takes, 30-40 takes, and I was not getting that shot right. Finally, the way I got the shot right was when Arjun decided to bang the scooter actually into the car.
Okay, तो इस फिल्म की स्टाइलिंग काफ़ी अच्छी थी, जैसे कि हीरोइंस की कीर्ति रेड्डी की, तो उसके बारे में आप कुछ, she was presented well.
Yeah, I mean, we took a lot of care on the dressing and on the locations, on the sets. They're all real sets actually in the film, and real locations, and everything. We took a lot of care in seeing the production values, and the photography was done very nicely by P.S. Vinod, and everybody in the unit worked very hard. I have a very good team. I have Naeem Shah, who does my dialogues and also works with me on my script. Then of course there's Viju, and there is a whole team of Trimurti Films that has been with me for a very long time. And it's always, filmmaking is always a team effort. क्योंकि अर्जुन की भी पहली रिलीज़ थी, he works very hard. He's a very good actor and he tries his very best and makes a lot of effort. और वो एक ही फिल्म ट्राई करता है, एक ही फिल्म एक टाइम में हो. And he likes to give you 1 or 2 months so that you can finish the work. So that way, it was a very interesting effort. Also because to finish a film in 60 days without a day gap is not so easy. और उसके लिए planning भी चाहिए होती है, and you need the whole unit support, which we had.
And this question is not related to this movie. So I'd like to ask this, as in how to improve India-Pak relations as far as the cinema is concerned.
Well, India-Pakistan relations are improving, which is very, very good. And they will improve, I feel, in the future, because two neighbors can't keep at loggerheads throughout their life. So basically, one has to see the economic future of both the nations and of Asia, and also trade sort of decisions have to be made at a political level for the trade to open up, and also the countries to open up their socio-economic relationships with each other. Films obviously is a part of all this. It's a small part, but they always try and preach some kind of peace and harmony in the society. And also films, if they see a positive sign somewhere, would always try and underline it and sharpen it and show it in the films of a better tomorrow and a better future for both the countries. And I think it is always, friendship is always a better relationship than any other relationship two countries may have. And by arguing with one another and being on differences doesn't get either of the countries anywhere. So people finally wake up to a situation, you know. And I think filmmakers will be very happy about this, because we'll be able to open our trade with Pakistan, who do watch a lot of the Indian films. And basically, historically, the two countries are culturally pretty much the same, and it is a good sign what is happening, and I hope and pray to God that in the future we do have an atmosphere of peace and love and harmony. And I also hope that the filmmakers uh, sort of strive towards that goal of trying to achieve that kind of relationship that we are all looking for.